Says Katie has been trying to set up process definitions to automate email reminders for upcoming contact birthdays. The issue is the year. It would only send in the year listed in the birthday field, not reoccurring every year. How can I get this to work as a reoccurring annual reminder?
Yes, this is a tricky one with birthdays. We have this actually come up quite a bit. So really what you have to do is you have to build the process definition in such a way that you're using the timer to say, hey, when this date comes, which is essentially the day of the birth date, you're going to wait 1 year from that. And when that date comes up the next time, you're going to then send that email alert out. So it's kind of like you have to have, I think the way we've usually done is having two fields. One that's the actual birth date, and then one that's actually the date that it was last triggered. And you can build some formulas to kind of at least bring in the months and the days of the birthday data that you have. But you kind of have to use those kind of two fields there to do that. Otherwise, you run into the issue that you ran into of, well, it's only going to do it on the year that it was, not the year after year, each day of their birth date.